Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have two mysterious locks for reviewing. Why mysterious? Because they are from Yugoslavia, but no one knows exact maker, who made them and when. So the first one is this furniture lock. It's for wooden furniture and it has 3 levers inside. Pretty okay lock for such use. Here is the key for such lock, but this is not matching key for this particular unit. Sometimes, but very rarely, it could unlock it. But as you see, levers move, but the second lever isn't matching one. So we have the number. This is the number of the combination. It's a brass key, pretty old key. In old Yugoslavian furniture you could see such lock, and it says, as you see, if you could see, it says TMP. And you could barely recognize the letters made in Yugoslavia. So this one is TMP and this one is TLP. Really interesting, the same logo, the same everything, but we have here M and we have here L. I will show you in a minute. So it could be that this is the factory for metal goods. Tvornica metalnih proizvoda, probably from Bosnia and Herzegovina, former Yugoslav Republic, and it could be from Tuzla, town of Tuzla, industrial town in Yugoslavia, famous industrial town in Yugoslavia. So really interesting lock, in pretty good shape. I will try to find the key and take it back where it was before I tried to find the key. Now we have this lock prepared for restoration, but I will show you inside because you won't be able to see such lock, what's inside. It's really rare, no one showed it on YouTube. So pretty huge amount of parts inside. As you see, this is those two cups makes the body of make the body of the lock. It says Arena. This is the model called Arena, and we have the logo. In this case, it's TLP. Maybe also factory for metal goods, but in Serbo-Croatian language it says Tvornica limenih proizvoda. Article good number 108, made in Yugoslavia. No one knows the date of making or the origin. I think it's from Tuzla or village of Srebrenik, nearby Tuzla, but there is no way, not on the internet, not on ChatGPT, there is no any information about this lock. So as I showed you, those two cups make the body. It's a dual locking mechanism. You see the shackle locks from both sides, and this is the locking plate, which goes like this. See, this is the locking plate. We have guiding, I don't know what it is, but it's a guide, key guide from stamped metal. We have this frame where a locking plate sits on. Let me arrange this. So we have this plate going left and right. And we have small levers. As you see, every lever has a number. This one is 4, this one is 1, 2, 4 again, and 3, and of course again 3. So we have a total of 6 levers. They are orientated like this. So when the lock is locked, you see it doesn't move, but when you push the lever, it goes, locking pole goes to the right, and it's spring loaded. I don't have a spring for the locking plate, so the spring makes it loaded and it locks automatically. There is also a spring for this part here, for the levers, collective spring for the levers. I made this spring. This is not the original spring. Probably the original one rusted away, both springs, because I didn't find them inside of the lock when I disassembled it. Pretty hard to disassemble such a lock because it's crimped. I managed to uncrimp it, but there are some indentations because it wasn't easy. It's stamped steel. Cover plate also. This cover plate goes like this and it holds everything together. Whole mechanism holds together. So this is the first time you see inside of an TLP padlock, probably factory for metal goods, made in Yugoslavia. Hard to tell the date, hard to tell anything. Probably a small factory which didn't made locks for a long period of time. Probably locks like this and simple stamped padlock like this one. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.